I think yawning is just a reflex that happens when we're tired or bored.
Actually, there are several theories on why we yawn, including increasing oxygen intake and promoting alertness.
I've heard that yawning is contagious. Why is that?
There are a few theories on that as well, including mirror neurons and social bonding.
What are mirror neurons?
Mirror neurons are brain cells that fire both when we perform an action and when we observe someone else doing it. They might be involved in contagious yawning, making us mimic the yawn we see.
That's interesting. But why would contagious yawning be a thing?
Contagious yawning might be a way to synchronize group behavior, promote empathy, or signal drowsiness within a social group. Mimicking yawns might show we're paying attention and empathize with others.
I see your point, but I still think yawning is just a reflex.
While yawning might be a reflex, it's a fascinating one. And the fact that it's contagious suggests there might be more to it than just a reflex.
I guess you're right. There's still a lot we don't know about yawning.
Exactly. Yawn, yawn, yawn. I bet you yawned at least once while watching this video. Ha ha. Have your friends watch the video. See how many times they yawn while watching it.